Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your headphones to your PC. So, at first you need to prepare your charging cable, which they give you in the box, in the case actually. So the first part needs to be plugged into your PC and the second one into this charging port, charging contact, charging pad right here. So the first thing like that, and the second part of the cable into your PC. So now let me switch to my PC view. And now here you can see my PC. So let me plug my cable. And now here you need to open the File Explorer. And now here we've got in this PC section USB drive D, and here I've got 3 MP3 files that we've got on our headphones. That's how to connect them with a cable. We can't use them of course like this, but you can charge them and store files here. I mean store files, store songs here. Bye!